Are you looking for the best metal detectors? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best metal detectors on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Garrett Pro Pointer at Waterproof Pinpointing Metal Detector. The Garrett Pro Pointer at Waterproof Pinpointing Metal Detector is fully waterproof up to 10 feet and comes in an orange color for added visibility underwater. It has maximum sensitivity with 3 levels to choose from for improved detection of nuggets and other small targets. The quick button press allows for instant tuning out of the environment or narrowing of detection field for precise pinpointing of larger targets. What we like: excellent sensitivity and depth, waterproof design, easy-to-use settings, durable build quality, made in the USA. What we don't like: minor learning curve for power button, battery life not yet determined. Number 2. GreenRex Professional Waterproof Metal Detector. The GreenRex Waterproof Metal Detector offers 5 specialized detection modes, helping you quickly find coins, jewelry, or specific metals with ease. It features a large, backlit LCD screen and simple controls, making it user-friendly even in low-light conditions. The adjustable length and arm support mean it fits comfortably for both adults and kids, while 5 sensitivity settings let you adapt to different terrains. Plus, its waterproof coil lets you search in shallow water like beaches or rivers, expanding where you can explore. This detector combines convenience and versatility to enhance your treasure hunting experience. What we like: lightweight and comfortable, easy to assemble and use, impressive sensitivity and accuracy, sturdy, durable construction, great value for price. What we don't like: limited outdoor testing due to weather. Number 3. National Geographic Kids Metal Detector. The National Geographic Kids Detector is an excellent choice for young treasure hunters. Its waterproof 7.4-inch dual coil can detect objects buried up to 6 deep, making it ideal for beach adventures. With an easy-to-read LCD screen and a simple setup, you'll quickly get started on your treasure hunt. The pinpoint function enhances your digging efficiency by helping you locate targets with precision after scanning a larger area. Additionally, the lightweight design ensures that kids can comfortably carry it throughout the day, making treasure hunting a fun and engaging outdoor activity. What we like: fun outdoor activity, great gift for kids, easy height adjustment, good value for money, detects metal effectively. What we don't like: inconsistent signals at times, not highly accurate. Number 4. Goganova Kids Waterproof Metal Detector. The Goganova Kids Detector is designed for treasure hunting enthusiasts of all ages. Its 2 operational modes, all metal and disc mode, help you easily locate various types of metals while allowing you to ignore unwanted ones. The adjustable stem accommodates users from 39.3 to 51.3 inches, making it perfect for both kids and adults. With a user-friendly LCD display, you'll find it easy to navigate settings even in low light. Plus, the waterproof search coil lets you explore underwater, enhancing your outdoor adventures. What we like: easy to use, great for children, good price, effective detection, fun for families. What we don't like: minor false positives. Number 5. GreenRex Metal Detector Pinpointer with LCD. The GreenRex Pinpointer Metal Detector is designed to make your treasure hunting easier and more efficient. Its lightweight, ergonomic design with a secure grip means you can comfortably carry and use it anywhere, whether at home or outdoors. The simple one-button operation paired with an LCD screen and LED light helps you quickly identify metal objects, even in low light. You'll appreciate the 360-degree scanning ability and 3.5-inch detection depth, allowing you to find targets faster over larger areas. Plus, its waterproof probe lets you search underwater up to 50 feet deep, so you're ready for adventures in lakes, rivers, or wet conditions without worry. What we like: waterproof design, high sensitivity, Easy to use. Includes holster and accessories. Multiple alert options. What we don't like. Short detection range.